Um, I'm sorry that I'm not going to do a really cool vlog this week because it's my weekend off. It's my one weekend off during my internship. So I'm going to be visiting my cousins who live at West Point, which I'm pretty excited about. I've been doing so much stuff this week. It's been good. It's been a little tense just because I think people were looking forward to the weekend. But it's been good. I have a lot to catch up on my blog. Whoops. Um, but I will be working on that. Hopefully tonight I'll get something up on there. But yeah, no, life is good. I'm sorry that this isn't going to be longer, but that's how it is. Um, I'm putting together some video clips, just seeing what I have of my internship, so hopefully I'll be able to show you guys kind of what I've been doing all summer, right? Um, something that makes this place unique, going off of what Olivia said. Well, it was built in 1858. That's pretty cool, I guess. It's been through a lot in that time. 150 years. It's a long time. Um, Also the fact that 19 people of very different backgrounds and religious affiliations and countries and ethnicities all live here. That kind of makes it unique. Um, yeah, it's really sweet. So yeah, I really have nothing to talk about. I'm sorry. Or like I have a ton to talk about, but I don't know how to compress it. So, um, yeah. I'm sorry. It's just I'm gonna be with my cousins tomorrow, so I had to post this a night early. I don't mean to infringe on anyone else's time. Sorry. So, yep. Sorry this isn't longer. And all of my intern friends are pretty much gone for the weekend. So, sorry. Um, yep. Sorry. Bye.